Listen, example 24. Find the area of the parallelogram. Find the area of the parallelogram. Find the area of the parallelogram whose adjacent sides are A vector and B vector. Okay. Can you tell me what is the formula for area of the parallelogram with adjacent sides A vector and B vector? Very good. Area of the parallelogram with adjacent sides A vector and B vector is equal to modulus A vector cross B vector. That's all. Now listen, here A vector, B vector given. The formula is area of the parallelogram with adjacent sides A vector and B vector is given by modulus A vector cross B vector. Okay. Can you tell me working rule? Yes. First complete A cross B. Okay. Step 1 A cross B. Step 2 modulus A cross B. Then area of the parallelogram with adjacent sides A vector and B vector is given by modulus A cross B is equal to required answer. Okay. Now listen. So listen. First I want to complete A vector cross B vector. Okay. A vector cross B vector equal to determinant. Listen. If the cross product is defined between the two vectors, its result is given by determinant ijk. Determinant ijk. When the cross product is defined between the two vectors, its result is given by determinant ijk. Okay. Now ijk fixed always. Now first A vector coefficient second row. Okay, can you tell me what is second row? 3, 1, 4. Listen, 3, 1, 4. Okay, B vector second. B vector second one. So B vector coefficients third row. Okay, what is third row? 1, minus 1, 1. The coefficients. 1, minus 1, 1. Okay, which is equal to I cap into as usual expansion. Okay, yourself? Very good. That is plus, minus, plus. Now, plus into I cap. So I cap into, forget, its respective row and column. Okay, what is your answer? Cross multiply? Yes, very good. 1 plus 4. Yes, 1 plus 4. Okay, 1 plus 4. Because in this direction we have already 1 minus. Okay, now minus into j. Minus j of. Minus j of, yes, forget its row and column. 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4. Okay, plus k cap into. Forget its row and column. So your answer is yes, minus 3, minus 1. Minus 3, minus 1. Okay, which is equal to 1 plus 4, 5. 5 into I cap? Yes, 5 I cap. So 5 I cap. Next, what is bracket? Minus 1. Minus into minus plus, therefore plus j. Okay, here? Yes, minus 4. Minus 3, minus 1, minus 4. Minus into plus minus. So minus 4k. What is LHS? A vector cross B vector. So step 1 A cross B. Now step 2 modulus A cross B. Otherwise one can write a directly formula. Area of the parallelogram with adjacent sides A vector and B vector is given by the formula modulus A vector cross B vector, which is equal to A vector cross B vector ready. Modulus A vector cross B vector equal to square root of sum of the squares of ijk. That is 5 the whole square, square root of 5 the whole square plus of 1 the whole square plus of, yes, minus 4 the whole square. Now listen, now I want to write directly formula. Listen, area of the parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram with adjacent sides A vector and B vector is given by the formula. Okay, can you tell me what is formula? Yes, modulus A vector cross B vector. Okay, now which is equal to A vector cross B vector is ready. Now modulus means magnitude. So which is equal to square root of sum of the squares of ijk coefficients. Okay, start your answer. Yes, 5 the whole square. 5 the whole square plus of, yes, that is plus of 1 the whole square plus of minus 4 the whole square. Extend to the root. Okay, which is equal to square root of yourself. Very good. 5 square 24, 25. 5 square 25. 1 square equal to 1. Next. Okay, minus 4 the whole square equal to, yes, 16. Now yourself, which is equal to square root of just addition. Okay, 7. 7 plus 5. 12. 2. Remainder 1. So 2. 2 plus 2, 4. So square root of 42. Square root of 42. Okay. Therefore, area of the parallelogram with the adjacent sides A vector and B vector is equal to square root of 42 square units. Okay. Now I want to write question with answer. Listen. Therefore, area of the parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram with adjacent sides. With the adjacent sides A vector and a B vector is equal to square root of 42 square units. Okay. Suppose same question, but the keyword is a triangle. Area of the triangle with adjacent sides A vector and B vector is given by the formula? Yes. Half into the difference. Half into modulus A cross B. Parallelogram means modulus A cross B. Triangle means half into A vector cross B vector. Okay, for this question, for our understanding, one can draw the diagram also. So, listen, let it be the parallelogram. Here, given that A vector and B vector are the adjacent sides. Area of the parallelogram with adjacent sides A vector and B vector is given by the formula modulus A vector cross B vector. So, which is area? Okay. Area of the parallelogram with the adjacent sides A vector and B vector is given by the formula area is equal to modulus A vector cross B vector. Suppose same question but a triangle. Triangle means area of the triangle with adjacent sides A vector and B vector is given by the formula half into modulus A vector cross B vector. Example 25. For any two vectors A vector and B vector, prove that modulus A vector cross B vector the whole square plus A vector dot B vector the whole square equal to modulus A vector square into modulus B vector square. Okay. Listen, here first term, yes, cross product. Second term, dot product. So, first complete the bracket. First complete the bracket answer. That is inside answer. Say, what is A cross B? Yes, by the definition of A cross B. By the definition of A cross B, listen, A vector cross B vector is equal to. First complete this inside portion. A vector cross B vector is equal to modulus A vector into modulus B vector into sin theta into n cap. But I need a modulus. Okay, let us find directly modulus. Listen, definition of A cross B equal to modulus A vector into modulus B vector into sin theta into n cap. While taking modulus n cap tends to 1. So 1 into anything the same. So that is why one can write directly modulus A cross B is equal to modulus A vector into modulus B vector into sin theta. That's all. Here without modulus means here understood modulus n cap. Modulus n cap tends to 1. So that is why I am not writing. Okay, which is the step 1. Okay, let it be the first equation. Next, complete the bracket answer A vector dot B vector. Listen, A vector dot B vector is equal to, which is what? Yes, by the definition of dot product. By the definition of dot product, modulus A vector into modulus B vector into cos theta. That's all. So is equal to modulus A vector into modulus B vector into cos theta, which is second equation. Now, what is the working rule? Yes, see this modulus completed and the bracket answer is completed. Now, first equation, second equation. What is the next working rule? Yes, squaring and adding. That is 1 square plus 2 square. That's all. 1 square plus 2 square. 1 square plus 2 square. Which means, now listen, 1 square plus 2 square. First equation the whole square plus second equation the whole square. Which means, see, consider the left hand side. Left hand side is modulus A vector cross B vector square, which is, that is plus of. One can write plus of. Okay, plus of. What is second? See, first equation, LHS the whole square. modulus A cross B the whole square. What is second term? Yes, A vector dot B vector the whole square. Okay, which is equal to. So LHS the whole square plus LHS the whole square, which is equal to RHS the whole square plus RHS the whole square. Okay, what is RHS the whole square? 1 square means, yes, modulus A vector square into modulus B vector square into, yes, sine square theta plus of, come to second equation. Okay, square it because 2 square. Okay, very good. Modulus A vector square. So plus modulus A vector square into modulus B vector square into, yes, cos square theta into cos square theta. That's all. That is squaring and adding. Okay. Now next step, simplification yourself. Yes, very good. Modulus A vector square, modulus B vector square. Modulus A vector square, modulus B vector square. Which two are common? Taking common, modulus A vector square into modulus B vector square into bracket open. What is remaining? Very good. Sine square theta plus cos square theta. So sine square theta plus cos square theta. Okay. Now can you tell me what is sine square theta plus cos square theta? Very good. Tends to 1. Since trigonometry identity. Now 1 into anything? The same. So which is equal to modulus A vector square into modulus B vector square. Okay, write this LHS as it is, which is, whose left hand side is modulus A vector cross B vector square plus of A vector dot B vector the whole square. So hence the result. Listen, this question is very simple, 2 mark question. First one, cross product, definition of cross product. While taking modulus, modulus n cap tends to 1. Second one is definition of dot product. Squaring and adding, we get answer. Children listen, example 26. Find the area of the triangle. Find the area of the triangle. Having the points, A is a point of 1, 0, 0. B is a point of 0, 1, 0. And C is a point of 0, 0, 1 as its vertices. Again, find the area of the triangle whose vertices A, B, C is given. Okay, first let us draw the diagram. Listen, triangle. Okay, let it triangle. Let A, B, C. Let A, B, C be a triangle. Therefore, can you tell me what is A is a point of? Yes, A is a point of 1, 0, 0. B is a point of? Yes, B is a point of 0, 1, 0. C is a point of? Yes, 0, 0, 1. Ready? Now the question is area of the triangle. Listen, area of the triangle with adjacent sides AB vector and AC vector is given by the formula. Area of the triangle ABC is equal to area of the triangle with adjacent sides AB vector and AC vector is given by the formula of into AB vector cross AC vector. That's all. Area of the triangle with adjacent sides AB vector and AC vector is given by the formula of into AB vector cross AC vector. But we need modulus, means that is we need a area in magnitude, so that is why modulus. Now listen again. Area of the triangle with adjacent sides AB vector and AC vector is given by the formula of into modulus AB vector cross AC vector. That's all. Okay. Now listen. Let O be the origin. Okay. So the position vector of A with respect to origin O is given by OA vector. It is, which is OA vector. OA vector is equal to 1 into I cap. So that is I cap. OA vector equal to I cap plus 0 j cap plus 0 k cap. And the position vector of B with respect to origin O is given by OB vector. So therefore OB vector is equal to 0 I cap plus 1 into j cap, that is j cap plus 0 k cap. Okay. The position vector of C with respect to origin O is given by OC vector. So OC vector equal to 0 into I cap plus 0 into j cap plus 1 into k cap, that is k cap. Okay. Now listen, let let OA vector is equal to, can you tell me what is OA vector? Yes, OA vector equal to I cap plus 0j plus 0k. Here 0j, 0k, no need to write, why time waste? So OA vector equal to I cap, that's all. OB vector is equal to j cap. OC vector equal to k cap. Here 0 I cap plus 0 j cap, no need to write. Okay, directly OA vector equal to I cap. OA vector is equal to I cap. Here understood, plus is 0 j cap plus is 0 k cap. No need to write. Okay, next is similarly. OB vector is equal to, yes, very good, j cap. OC vector is equal to, yes, k cap. That's all. Now, I want to find AB vector and AC vector. Okay, can you tell me what is AB vector? Yes, AB vector equal to OB vector minus OA vector. That is second minus first. Now, AB vector. AB vector is equal to OB vector minus OA vector, second minus first. OB vector minus OA vector, okay, which is equal to OB vector. OB vector equal to J vector, okay, that is J cap. And OA vector. OA vector is equal to minus, already OA vector is equal to I cap. Now, for my convenience, first usually I, J, K, alphabetic order. So, first write I first. So, which is equal to minus I cap plus j cap. That's all. Whose left hand side is AB vector. Okay, AB vector is ready. Now, I want to find the adjacent sides AB vector and AC vector. Now, AC vector equal to. What is AC vector? Very good. AC vector equal to OC vector minus OA vector. Now, listen. AC vector. AC vector is equal to second minus first. OC vector minus OA vector. Okay, which is equal to OC vector equal to, yes, OC vector equal to K vector, that is K cap, minus OA vector equal to, yes, I cap, and write in alphabetic order, I, J absent, then you write K. So, which is equal to minus I cap plus K cap, which is AC vector. See, remember here J absent, so plus is 0J, understood? Here I, J present, K absent, so plus is 0K. So, consider the coefficients minus 1, 1, 0. Okay, here, yes, minus 1, 0, 1. Because middle J absent, that is why 0. Minus 1, 0, 1. Okay, now, listen, the adjacent sides AB vector and AC vector ready. I want to find the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle with adjacent sides AB vector and AC vector is given by the formula of into modulus AB vector cross AC vector. Okay. AB vector, AC vector ready. Next I want to find AB vector cross AC vector. Okay. AB vector cross AC vector. Now, AB vector cross AC vector, which is equal to. Okay. Here, when the cross product is defined between the two vectors, its result is given by determinant IJK. Determinant IJK. Okay. When the cross product is defined between the two vectors, its result is given by determinant IJK. Now, first AB vector, coefficients in second row. Okay. What is second row? AB vector. AB vector equal to minus 1, 1, 0. Minus 1, 1, 0. Okay. Next. AC vector. AC vector coefficients comes in third row. Okay. Can you tell me what is third row? Yes, AC vector. AC vector minus 1, 0, 1. Because here J absent, that is why 0. Okay. Minus 1, 0, 1. Now, hereafter yourself just expansion. Okay, yourself. Very good. Plus, minus, yes. Which is equal to plus into I cap. I cap into. Very good. Forget it. It's respective row and column. 1 minus 0. Okay, next minus j cap into. Now forget its respective row and column. Very good. Minus 1 minus 0. Minus 1 minus 0. Plus k cap into. Forget its row and column. Yes, 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1. Now, which is equal to. Very good. 1 into I. Minus into minus plus. Minus 0 no need. Minus into minus plus. So plus j. Next, very good. 1 into k. That is k cap. What is left hand side? AB vector cross AC vector. AB vector cross AC vector is ready. Now, write directly formula. Area of the triangle with adjacent sides AB vector and AC vector is equal to half into modulus AB vector cross AC vector. Okay? Now listen. Area of the triangle. Area of the triangle. Listen. Area of the triangle with adjacent sides. With adjacent sides AB vector and AC vector is given by the formula. Area of the triangle, listen. Area of the triangle with adjacent sides AB vector and AC vector is given by the formula half into modulus AB vector cross AC vector. Okay, which is equal to half into modulus AB vector cross AC vector. Okay, now which is equal to half into. Here modulus means very good magnitude. So which is equal to square root of sum of the squares of IJK coefficients. Okay, can tell me here coefficients 1 1 1, which means yes, very good, 1 the whole square plus of 1 the whole square plus of 1 the whole square, which is equal to, write directly yourself. Very good, 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to root 3. Already by 2 is available, so root 3 by 2 square units. Root 3 by 2 square units. What is left hand side? The same thing you want to write. Therefore, area of the triangle with the adjacent sides AB vector and AC vector is given by root 3 by 2 square units. Okay. I want to write here, that is therefore area of the triangle. Listen. You can write area of the triangle. Area of the triangle with adjacent sides AB vector and AC vector is equal to root 3 by 2 square units. So hence the answer. And the same model in exercise 8.4 available, that is left for you as homework.